guys, you are welcome. So today I have a gift here and I've decided let us do unboxing together. So let us see what we have in here. Okay, so let us do this. So guys, when I'm opening this, so I was like, what do we have here? What is inside here? So I want you to guess in the comment section what you were expecting it might be, okay? Here we go. So guys, wow. So it seems like we have a whole supermarket inside here. So let us see. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is just amazing. So these are the stuffs that we have here, and I'm sorry some clips are missing. I'll try and show you what do we have here, okay? I'll try and show you everything. So guys, this is what I have. So guys, we have a lot of stuffs here. I have flour, but I'll make sure I show you there are how many. Okay, just stick around and see how I've been blessed here, guys. This is just so amazing. And I want to say the person that sent me this, may you never lack, because the person that sent me this told me don't mention their name, which yes, I will not mention, but I just want to say thank you so much. May you never lack, and may God Almighty bless you for me. So we have flour, we have toothpaste, we have bathing soap, we have unga chapati, and we have blue band, we have bar soap, we have green gram. We have almost everything inside here, guys. I'll make sure I show you everything what we have. And yeah, and may God bless you so much, okay? So very soon I'll try and make a video about those people that have been helping me out, okay? So just stick around and you will know what is happening.